Hello friends, welcome to Wealthy Minds. Let's begin. Hope you all are doing good. And today, if you see that market was fluctuating up, down, up, down, up, down. First, when market opened, it was in positive. Again, after 30 minutes, it went negative side. So today, I took one stock, and that is Hindustan Unilever. Okay, that is Hindustan Unilever. I took this stock, Hindustan Unilever stock. Okay, so how did I selected this stock? So I would tell you how did I selected this stock is if you see here, if you see here, just see here. What happened here is at around 10:30 or 11 o'clock. See at 11 o'clock. Uh, I would say one thing that before one day I have selected some points in this chart. What was that? This was my resistance. This was my resistance. These things I have done before one day. Okay, resistance. This is my resistance, and this was my support for Hindustan Unilever chart. Okay, and I would like to tell you few things that I entered this stock at a price of 2136. Okay, and the price of 2136 I did entry, and I took exit. I took exit at 2170. I took exit at 2170. Okay, how did I did this? How did I took this entry and exit? So I kept this as resistance. I kept this as support. I kept this as stop loss of 7 points. Okay, I my first target I kept a profit of 29 points. Okay, so my risk to reward ratio in this for one stock was 0.24%. Okay, so here if you see 0.24% risk to reward ratio I got, and this is my stop loss. If the market crashes from here, then this would have been my short target. Okay, but what happened is market gone up. Okay, this I had kept for like this is my first target. Okay, this is my second target. Okay, and this is my target. So how I analyze this is before one day I have kept a resistance and support. Normally you can see here there is nothing like I'm not using even MACD, not using even RSI. Then how did I analyze this? Simple thing is, if you see here when market opens at 10 o'clock, what happened is you just see at this place, at this place, at this place, you just see what happening is at this place. What is happening is price increase. Price is increasing at this place. Okay, with price, what is happening? Down, see the volume increase, volume also increase. So here I waited to cross my support. Okay, actually before if it comes from down it is resistance. Okay, so before it is resistance for me. When volume is increasing, price is also increasing, it crossed that resistance. When it crossed that resistance, this zone is top to bottom level. I keep it as no trade zone. No trade zone. I will suggest beginners not to trade in this zone. This zone is no trade zone. Okay, this zone is no trade zone. Okay, this zone is no trade zone. So now when price was fluctuating, See, it is respecting this resistance also, and this is respecting this support also. How many times it hit? One time, two times, three times, four times, and fifth time. If you see this four time hit, it hit the support for four times. But volume, if you see, volume is not increasing. Volume remained constant till here. What happened is in around 14:30, see the time 14:30. In around 14:30, if you see here, price increased. At this point, price has increased. Okay, at this point, I'll write here price increased. Okay, price increased and volume also increased again. Okay, this is what I am going to tell you. Here price is also increasing, volume is also increasing. So here what happening is, can okay, here what happens? Price is increasing, volume is increasing. So what I told here, it will cross this resistance too. Why did it cross? Because new institutional investor, new big party will come into it. So volume is increasing. So it breaks this resistance. Now when it breaks this resistance, now what I will do is I am thinking of my targets to hit. So if you see here, my first target, okay, my first target is at 2165 points. Okay, it hit. Okay, it hit that. While hitting the 2147, is the volume decreasing? No, volume is increasing. All before candles, volume is increasing. So I didn't took out at my first target. When it hit second target, when it crossed that second target, with the volume decrease, yes. Here, see, here is a gap in volume. Now what I did was, I put a stop loss at 2170. At 2170, I put a stop loss. So what happened is I exited from 2170. So this is the thing. I made a profit today on Hindustan Unilever, and this is what I was sharing with you. I would say for beginners, it is not like everyone is watching big charts, big patterns, and you want to follow other persons. Okay, follow, but don't don't follow them blindly. As a beginner, I will suggest that you can do with simple patterns. Simple. See, here I haven't done anything. This is the chart. This is the same chart which I have analyzed. Here nothing is there. Only lines, only trends, only trend lines and horizontal lines are there. Nothing. You can see here. Only trend lines, volume, no RSI, no MACD, nothing. Okay. So with the simple pattern also you can earn money. You can get your analysis correct in stock market. Okay. So I would suggest beginners first to go for basics. This is the basics: how to draw support, how to draw resistance, how to take no trade area, how to do price and volume analysis. If you understand these things, make simple and do make money with that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel. Do hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified early whenever my video comes. And don't forget to like and share this video, because if you share the video, then only you will get knowledge.